Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the OMG Queen hair. Guys, I have been trying a lot of kinky hair, but this one is by far one of my favorite. Guys, look at the hair. The hair is so soft and it felt so much like my natural hair. I really love the texture and I like the fact that the hair is so versatile. You can style it anyhow you like. It's actually a 360 lace frontal wig which can be styled anyhow you like. I actually showed you guys some of the style that you could create using this hair in this video, and I am quite loving the fact that the hair is really soft. Your hair anyhow you like. I am loving the texture of the hair. The hair can be curled, dyed, straightened, and do whatever you like with it, because it felt so much like a natural hair, because it's a virgin hair, so you can do whatever you like with it. I really love the texture, so I've decided not to straighten the hair, but I would show you guys if you really want to straighten the hair and what the hair would look like in case you straighten it. I really love the hairline of the hair, guys. Look at that. I decided not to go for baby hair today because I am actually feeling this hair. Hair has actually been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all. The knots has also been bleached straight from the box, so you don't have to do anything at all. I'm actually loving the fact that the quality of the hair is really amazing, and based on the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, I had no choice than to apply the hair without baby hair, because I'm actually loving the hairline, guys. I am loving it. The hair is really soft. I like the quality of the hair, and I also like the fact that you create any style with this hair just like your natural hair. So if you're the type that have a natural hair but your hair is not as long as you'd love to style it, then this hair is definitely for you, because you can start. The hair felt so much like a virgin natural African American hair, so you can style it anyhow you like. And if you're the type that like protective style but your hair is not as long as this, then this is a good option for you. Really soft. The quality of the hair is amazing, and you guys can already tell there have been no shedding, no tangling or matting whatsoever throughout this process of styling the hair. You guys can already tell that the hair is so soft. In terms of the length, guys, this is where the length got to right there, and that's 20 inches. So the hair is definitely true to length. If you are the type that really love natural hair feel and the kinkiness that comes with it, then this hair is definitely for you. I'm actually loving the fact that everything has been done straight from the box for you guys. So in case you're interested in the hair, you don't have to do anything at all. You just need to bring the hair out of the box, apply your got-to-be glue, and you're good to go. And also another thing that I also noticed about this hair is the fact that you can actually wear this hair without applying got-to-be glue or anything at all, because the elastic strap in the back, at the back of the hair, is really useful. So you can actually use the elastic strap and the comb to tie the hair down for more security, so you don't have to apply glue or you don't have to apply gel on the hair. But you guys know me, I like applying got-to-be, especially based on this area, because it always lifts for me. I don't know about anyone else, but apart from that, you can actually wear the wig glueless or gel-less you may say. So I am actually loving the hair so far. I love the fact that the quality of the hair is really amazing. I'm just going to try to straighten the hair for you guys to see how the hair would work if you actually straighten it. But so far so good. The quality of the hair is really amazing, guys. Really amazing. If you're the type that love natural hair and the length to it, then this is definitely for you guys. Look at that, guys. Can you see? Oh my days, guys. Oh my days. Look at that, guys. I'm sure you can see that. Oh my days, guys. Look at that. It went really silky and straight. Oh my days. I really love the texture of I really love the quality of the hair. Look at that, guys. I'm just going to try and show you the difference. Look at that. I didn't apply any product whatsoever. And look at how silky this felt, and look at how natural this felt. Look at that. So if this looks so much like you relax your hair, but this looks like your natural kinky hair. So it depends on how you want to use how you want to wear the hair. I really love the fact that the hair is so versatile, so you can do whatever you like with it. Look at the areas that is straightened, and look at how, you know, silky straight. Oh my days, the quality of this hair is amazing, guys. Look at the tips of the hair. There is no split ends whatsoever. The hair is really soft and very silky. I I am loving the hair, guys. I am loving it. I'm loving this kinky feel to it, so I might decide to straighten it, you know, maybe later in the future, but right now I am loving the kinky feel to it. It makes me look and feel very different, and I'm loving it in a good way. So the most important thing for me with this is the quality of the hair, guys. The quality of the hair is really amazing. I would definitely recommend that you guys check out OMG hair. Their hair are very affordable, and they are very good quality. So if you're looking for a good quality hair with a reasonable price, then I would definitely recommend OMGqueen hair. The quality of their hair is amazing, guys, amazing. I also like the fact that you can wear this hair anyhow you like, guys. Ponytail, straight, silky, kinky. You have the freedom to do anything with this hair. Like, guys, if you're tired of wearing it in a kinky style, then you might as well go ahead and straighten the hair. And you can tell how silky the hair felt when I, you know, straighten it. It's left to you, to the hair, just like you do your natural hair. How amazing is that? The hair is really versatile. That's why that's why I've always loved kinky hair. You know the look you're going for, but I would definitely recommend you check out this vendor and let me know what you guys think. I am loving their hair. So I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Hi guys, I'm just going to quickly unbox the hair for you guys to see. The hair came in a cute black and pink box, and the things included in the box are the hair, obviously, a nude cap, which is my favorite, and also it came with a pink cute little brush with comb for you to, you know, style your baby hair if you want. And that's what the hair looks like in the box. The perimeters of the hair have been, you know, plucked, and there is also a baby hair around the perimeters from back to front. And look at the making of the cap, the construction of the cap rather. The construction of the cap is really amazing because the hair fits me from ear to ear, and also the quality of the hair, guys, is just amazing. I love the quality of the hair. So I'm going to put the wig on my mannequin head and show you guys how I did the updo. I put the hair on the mannequin and, you know, did the ponytail straight from the mannequin head, and I looked at the, you know, perimeters of the hair if there's anything else for me to do, but I realized there was nothing else to do, so I just decided to apply the hair straight on my head. And I applied the got2b blasting spray and sprayed it all over the hair, dried it, and, you know, I did the same thing at the back as well because I actually had to hold the hair with the glue at the back. But if you like, you might as well use the elastic strap or the comb at the back of the hair. So whichever one you decide to go for, that's absolutely fine. You've got that choice there as well. And also I decided to cut the lace on my head. I noticed that the lace was exactly the same size as my head, so there was no need for me to cut out of the hair because it was just the right perfect size for me. I applied the glue and the got2b blasting spray on my, you know, forehead, and I sprayed it and dried it, and just placed the wig on my head. And in this case I didn't tie my scarf at all. The hair just sticks straight on the glue, so there was no need for the scarf or anything at all. The same thing at the back of my head, and I am loving it, guys. I actually didn't notice that I had the glue going on at the back of my head, but it was no biggie at all because I ended up using wipes to, you know, clean that off, so there was no, you know, big deal at all whatsoever. So that was how I achieved the style. It was so easy for me, and I'm loving the fact that the hair was easy to apply. The quality of the hair, the construction of the cap is totally amazing. I actually love this vendor for some reason, probably because I just love this hair or because of the quality of the hair. The hair is just so Amazing. I love it. I really, really love it. I've been rocking it since the day I wore the hair. And if you're following me on Instagram, you'd already know by now that I've been rocking this hair non-stop because I absolutely love it. So you can style it anyhow you like. I was just showing you guys different style that I would go for. But, you know, since it's just like your own natural hair, you can do whatever style, or, you know, you can decide to go for any style you like, or whatever, you know, rocks your boat. But for me, I'm just showing you, you know, what I would go for, the styles that I would go for. So that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Feel free to check out their websites. I actually love the quality of this hair, and I would definitely recommend it, guys. Definitely recommend it. Let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and check out their websites, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for all your lovely comments. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and I'm happy to have you here, and I'll try my best to give you guys the best quality videos, you know, to the best of my ability. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. I gotta go. I'll see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to check out OMG Queen Hair, and let me know what you guys think. And bear in mind, they have all type of hair. They have Brazilian, they have, you know, Peruvian, they have all type of hair and styles with colors. So it depends on what you really want. So that's it for me, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Have a nice weekend or week or whatever time you are. Just enjoy yourself and have fun, be good, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.